Bro, kijibutip nam ta ki result te menta kasngi ki don kumbas sautli ki result jong ki post ba fer hapo ko official website jong MPSC ki lapan me ki result te ngnya page kawai mama page ka tarik de khandai Oktober aja apply kane ka banikong result of the interview for the post of senior health instructor in the office of the regional principal health family welfare training center Shillong under the director of health service MCHFW te don kawai post Ibiyo ide rang stun Paul Kurba naka on reserve category. Te congratulations namta ine candidate. Dan nakawe yo tang iwe. Te kabaar ka result kabaar pada kade jongi assistant engineer in the community and rural development department under Meghalaya Rural Engineering Service December 2020 hajar po. Te ki pas ki candidate ki balak pas kane gilong pasify marwen Brenigo Kemara, Klein Borlang Malngyang, Sang Titi Zamsik, Tempangika, Verika, Ethan, Shining Star, Ibakensai, Effenberg, Wandahun, Daniel Alvan, Risuka, Ribaha Arabella, Omar Jeffrey, Artreki, Rejoici, Benedict Milim, Lumlangki, Dimrim Banang, Dapish, Shila, Natasha, Derek, Worthy, Maklora, Chaizel, Gerik Samchi, Carlos, Alerto, Abhimanyu, Chokchim, Rodario, Arnold, Nazario, and Anuj Barman. Gidon live santali post jonganeka assistant engineering in community and rural development department. Ya congratulations namta kini ki live sangut ki candidate ki balak pas ya kani. Sakawai balai ka result ka balai kane ka result for the post of assistant engineer civil in the public health engineering department July 2019 arja khandai kane mo kan mau ki candidate ki pas the shining star khongyong lamha espasi Godwin Godfrey ke hang turu me balai simyong lamsuk nong turu me wanshan karbuki Jerome Jimumen Judia Kelvin Ivan Jacobi Manika Fenang. Congratulations yikine ki candidate ki bla mi hakane post assistant engineer don biang sakawipan tepat kedai result of the interview for the post of junior engineer civil under public work department December 2021 ikerteng juga dit kilong Lashan Lang Michael Roni Anggo Ejoy Griffil Oliari Vicky Penkemenlang Arbante Adoption Sanbok Vidhisha Dashisha Rimitre Shanbor Welbon Panborlang Mebakodor Cassandra Abigail Ibanesia Banyeng Schem Esther Jun Sakimi Nehmaya Richmond Tukiyo Wanjob Kraulang Kitkupar Sendraplang Mewanshan Breniker I Marlangki Han Danika Bianglang Pensyai Aneka Rishisha Iban Pentingan Manbhami Damonhisha Dameshwa Kusankupar Hamilton Don Kupar Lakentiu Raki Nansia Kakamchi Damera Jenny Pabitra Silvan Richard Kringa Ahan Billy Priti Banchiva Skylina Tengsam Dania Vivian Leping Weltingson Tengjan Altar Anirban Alvin Ivan Star Chian Chirup Tengsuba British Akachi Michelle Askinisha Salniashi Jericho Chimi Ekon Alina and Abhishek Hajong. Ini post kedon kumba pra pusan teli. Congratulations to all the candidates who qualify for the post. Tehngel ada mention pa khasi jentia order SC/ST garu kategori barok post ada mention load ikiba qualify namta kini post. Te kedon saw teli namta kini tengah ada pentip load tetang kini khuleshbun.